Hello everyone, this is AI Digital with a brand new topic. World's smallest phone Zanco Tiny T1 and T2. Zanco Tiny T1 is equipped with a 0.49 inches OLED display, can store 300 contacts and 50 text messages, 2G phone with 32 MB storage. World's smallest phone with 200 mAh battery, 180 minutes talk time and 3 days of standby. Manufactured by Zinni Mobiles. Single SIM phone with Bluetooth and voice changer. You can change 13 different types of voices, good for fun and easy for use, with 32 MB RAM. Tiny T1 comes with 46.7mm height, 21mm width and 13 grams of weight. This is Tiny T2 with amazing features like video recorder, camera, MP3, MP4 and games. In the next video, we will make a complete video on this T2 model. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.